Hey guys, it's Dan with Adventure Today. Hope you're doing great. Thanks for being here. Thanks for your time. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, and click that bell. Got another unboxing video for you today, and I wanted to share this with you because this is one of my favorite companies that I get things from every single month. And so thanks to my wife, who doesn't want to be in the video right now, but this is my daughter. Say hi, Olivia.
Hi.
Yeah. So anyway, this is it. BATTLBOX. We love BATTLBOX. Every month I get something different from these people, and it's like Christmas every single month. So it's just amazing. So let's get this open. And part of why I love them is that they're delivering adventure. And we're adventuring today, so anyway, it kind of goes hand in hand. But what's in here? So you never know what you're going to get each month. So that's what we're going to do, is open up this box and figure out what's inside. So it looks like we're getting a nice little Coleman cooler. Check that out. Can we use that when we go camping? Okay, take the binky out, babe.
Yeah.
Okay, yes. All right, so let's just get it opened up here. Let's see what's inside. Okay. So you get this little card each month with the BATTLBOX, and so I'm on the pro level here, and so they say this cooler costs $59 if you're buying it retail. They're giving it to you in the box a lot less than that. So I got a nice Klondike cooler. It holds 24 cans. There is a knife that's in here, it looks like, under the advanced package, and then if you just go with basic, you get a camp tool, a flat rope stick, you get some coffee, and some bug bite. So if you get the basic kit, those are the 4 items that you get with the kit, are those 4. The drifter camp tool, the rope stick, the coffee, and the bug bite. And if you go advanced, which is 1 level up, then it looks like you're getting a knife. And then if you go another level up, you get this really nice cooler. So let's dig inside here real quick and see what we've got. All right, so here is another box within the box. So inside this, we got a bunch of different things. Looks like that could be the knife. So, when you think about going through this horrible virus that we're dealing with right now, it doesn't hurt to have a little bit of extra supplies at home. And that's what these people at BATTLBOX are all about, is kind of equipping you for the unknown. And about a year or 2 ago, they caught a little bit of heat from some of their customers because they sent out things like face masks and PPE gear and things to kind of keep you safe in the situation we're in right now. So they stopped sending that stuff out, and boy, oh boy, I'm not ragging on BATTLBOX. They're great people. But, wouldn't it be great if we all had a few of those little items around right now, right? That we could either use ourselves or possibly even just share with our local fire department or police station if we didn't want to use them. But anyway, so inside this kit, we're getting a nice little bug bite kit. And so, if you go camping or you're out with an RV, then this is a nice little piece to have. Hey, Olivia. Sorry for the distraction there. We're doing this live with the family. So let's go to this one next. Look at this. This is like a rope stick. So there is rope that is buried in here. It looks like you can pull this out, and non-toxic. Cut what you need. Save the rest for later. No evaporation. It maintains performance, and it's a weatherproof fire-starting tinder. Aha! That is really cool. So this is actually fire starter. How cool is that, right? And it's really compact, fits in a backpack. Really, really neat. Here's some campfire coffee. Oh, I bet you my wife is going to take this from me, and she'll use this. This is right up her alley right here. So ridiculously smooth with notes of almond, hints of cinnamon, and a lingering finish. So this is awesome. So good coffee. And then let's get into the knife here real quick. It's got some tape on it. So I'm doing this with one hand. Let's get this opened up. See what's in here. Aha, it's like a fork, knife, and a spoon set, and it's got a oh, this is really nice high quality, and it's pretty heavy, but it's compact. So again, everything the BATTLBOX does is quality, efficiency, utility. It's all about making your life a little bit easier and preparing for adventures, the unknown, camping, hunting, whatever it might be. But anyway, this is a nice little piece of equipment here. So really happy to have that. And then of course, the big cooler is awesome. I mean, this has got really thick sides in it. It's got a nice secure zipper top, and it's got a quick access port on the top too. So some side pockets. It's got a bottle opener here, the whole shoot match. And then here we also have another knife. So, and this has a fire starter attachment in the handle, and it also has paracord built into this carrier on the knife. So again, what did I say? Utility? I mean, this is it, right? So what a cool knife this is. So it's got paracord, it's got a fire starter, and it's a knife, and it's got a nice little high quality belt loop, belt strap to put on the side of your jeans, your shorts, and so forth. Or you can stick it safely in your backpack. So anyway, BattleBox people, it's really good. If you haven't checked them out, please do. I don't get paid by BattleBox to endorse them or anything like that, but I love them, and I wanted to share this with you today. Every month I get a box like this. It's really exciting to get in the mail, and today was my day, and so I thought I would share it with you. So anyway, thanks for being here. Again, share it with your friends, click that bell, and be sure to subscribe, and I will see you really soon. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Bye.
The more I think of all the tough times we survived, the more it makes me smile. If nothing's broken us, nothing ever will. 'Cause dreams are hard to kill.